Hi, viewers. Welcome to another episode of the Tales of the Orangutan Trader. I have someone with me that is going to ask questions of me whose answers you might very well be interested in.
So, Mr. Orangutan Trader, I'm sure that your viewers would like to know, why do you dress that way?
I want my type of offering, I want people to have a lot of fun trading the option market. I just want people to have fun and not take themselves seriously and don't take their trades seriously. There's always another day to trade. Money will be made and money will be lost. It's a game. Have some fun.
So why should people trade options?
Leverage. You can also participate with a small amount of money. You don't need a lot of money. There's many option brokers to choose from. It's economic to trade on option markets, and the results can be breathtaking. You can make a lot of money quickly. You can also lose a lot of money quickly.
So when you say that you can start with a small amount of money, for someone, just an average person like myself, how much money can you start with?
You can actually trade, believe it, $500. In fact, you could technically trade $100 worth if the option was $1, a contract is 100 times 1, it's $100, and add some commission. You could trade a small quantity of money. Some trades you cannot because the option itself will be like $10. So it's 100 times 10. That's $1,000.
Okay, so I've heard you talk in the past about high frequency trading. What exactly does that mean?
It's a lot of buying and selling over and over again. Over and over again. It's not like you're buying something today and you're waiting years to ever sell it. We're basically buying today and selling tomorrow. And we're going to do it again tomorrow. And we're going to do it the day after that. That's high frequency trading.
So you promote trading the day before an earnings announcement. Why do you do that?
What I've discovered, a lot of stocks actually go through a quantum adjustment of price after their earnings announcements. And I want to get that adjustment. If I wait to the earnings announcement, there's usually not enough play action that day to make any money. Of course, there are exceptions, but there's such a thrill to buy an option today, be correct on the direction, and cash out the following morning within minutes of trading. It's exhilarating.
So let's say that I wanted to buy an option at the actual moment that the market opened on the day of the earnings announcement. Will I make as much money doing that?
No, you won't, because the stock will have already enjoyed its move in price. You have no way of playing that difference in price action on the option market.
So how fast?
It's non-linear. It's a quantum adjustment in price.
So how fast is it on the day? The moment the market opens?
It's actually within seconds of opening. You will know within seconds of opening if you've made money or not.
So what happens if the market goes the opposite direction than what you bought an option for? What happens then?
Your option will decrease in value. In fact, you can lose 50, 60, 70, 80, 90% of your option value within seconds. Sometimes, give you an example, you may have paid $1 for an option. It can go to a nickel within seconds of trading.
Okay, well, let's say that you did a trade for a $100 trade, and it goes the wrong way.
That value of that option will be like it could be $5.
So could you lose more than your $100 you invested?
No, you're limited by your total investment.
Okay, so
that's the appeal of option trading too. Your loss is limited to the amount that pledge.
So let's just be clear. If you spent $100 buying your option, you will never lose more than your $100.
That is correct.
But you could gain 150, 200, 300% on your investment.
Returns of 50, 100, 150, 200% is very commonplace buying ahead of earnings announcements.
So is it fun to trade this way?
It is a lot of fun. You don't have to wait. In fact, you can be out within minutes, and then you can go on with your day with your usual livelihood. You don't have to watch a screen all day. You don't have to wait weeks, months, years to find out it's no good. And you can come in again with another idea. I have ideas every day.
So, as far as you know, is there anyone else offering the service that you do?
As from what I gather in my what I know of the option community, there is no one that's actually sticking their neck out and actually making a prediction on direction or a prognostication on direction.
Now you report the results of your prediction.
I do have a scorecard, and it's a showcase. It's a diary of all my trading activities. You can come in and study it. There's no fee to do that. I welcome all interested parties to come to my website and study my scorecard.
And just to be clear, you publish the winners and the losers.
I also publish the losers. Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
So, what do you have to say to your traders today?
Common knowledge gets you nowhere. An Orangutan Trader gets you there. Bye for now.